How to allow or disallow mentions for the following in Rednote. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Rednote app, log in with your account details. Click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and from there go to settings. You can simply see setting gear icon at the top. Now, once in setting, go to privacy settings. Under interaction, you see the option of allow mention for the following. Once you toggle this feature on, you will be able to get mentions for the following in the Rednote. So that's it. That is how easily you can allow mention for the following in Rednote application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.